CGIT, setting a new standard of excellence for educational advancement with the use of the latest technology. The personal touch we have with each client is unique. We first establish a sense of trust by coming and doing a free technology infrastructure evaluation, and then turn in a free gap report based on the latest technology standards. Once we, along with the client, establish the technology vision, we begin the implementation of the plan. Here are some of the areas we cover, dealing with data center and technology infrastructure. Cabling, classroom technology, including projectors, e-beams, smartboards, and access points. Firewall installations and configurations. Remote access for staff. Wireless SSIDs. Once implemented, what does that give you? A paperless environment for classes that usually have a lot of print material by use of tablets for research, reports, book reading, and group projects. The amount of paper usage can be reduced. On average, a school spends approximately $30,000 to $60,000 in paper and printing products. Yearbook can be created, configured, and designed all online, with young people engaged in the entire creative process digitally. Graphic design. Through graphic design classes, young minds are being stimulated and opened to new job opportunities. This class is engaged with a guest teacher who is very effectively teaching them about the nervous system. You can cost-effectively bring professionals and top educators directly into your classrooms. Even students can participate from home. Set up a cloud classroom and engage your students more efficiently. This teacher has set up a quiz with his cloud classroom. Having all this technology requires assistance and maintenance. We have found most organizations are in need of specific technology support. We customize our help desk system to the culture of your organization. The standard process for using the help desk system is that the client clicks on an icon on their desktop and enters in a ticket. That ticket immediately alerts a help desk technician who responds accordingly. Our technicians always give a personal touch and put the client at ease to resolve their issue. Here are some of our additional services: website development, design, and training; digital signage, which pushes out information to staff and students. It's a paperless billboard, saving you money and time. We develop a one-stop application that manages attendance, grades, and communication with parents. So what is your technology needs now? We assist you in arriving at your ultimate vision. Technology will stimulate minds and capture the attention of all students if used effectively. It also breeds efficiency and can, in the long run, save an organization much-needed dollars to be applied in new areas. Think of a world with no more snow days or sick days, where productivity is never disrupted. The mind of a young person is always positively engaged. At their fingertips are all the tools needed to achieve their dreams. Put your technology in our hands. Meticulous, efficient, productivity, security, economical, the personal touch. CGIT.